All right, I've got a bit of a different video for you today with the goal of hopefully helping you save some money in an area where most of us are spending way too much: phone bills. What in the world does that have to do with personal finance, you might ask? Well, I'll get to that in a second, but considering the average phone bill in the US is $144 per month, when Helium Mobile reached out to me and said, hey, we have this awesome free phone plan that we think your budget-conscious viewers would like, my immediate thought was, cool, but the coverage must suck, right? To which they said, no, we actually use the exact same network as the nation's largest 5G network, wink wink, with a fun twist. So if you're budget conscious like me and you're tired of paying an arm and a leg for your phone plan, then let me show you how today's sponsor, Helium Mobile, is taking a completely new approach to phone service and how it could save you thousands of dollars per year. Okay, I'm not gonna make you stick around to the end of the video to find out what makes Helium Mobile different. Here's how it works and how they offer a free phone plan. They use what they call a hybrid network, which includes the standard cell towers, again, from the nation's largest 5G network, combined with the Helium network, which is essentially made up of communities that have set up their own mini cell towers to help fill in the gaps and aren't covered by the standard network. So you're really getting the best of both worlds there. Okay, cool, but how is it free? Because anytime a product is free, I always say that means that you as the consumer are probably the product. Well, in this case, first of all, the free plan only comes with 3 gigabytes of data per month, 100 minutes of call time, and 300 text. So if you're a pretty light data user or just want to try out the service first, then this might be the perfect plan for you, but they do offer 2 other affordable plans, including an unlimited plan. But before we get to those, the other reason Helium Mobile is able to offer these plans for so cheap is using their other differentiating feature where you can anonymously share your location, indicating where coverage is needed most, and essentially helping contribute to the growth of this network. Users can opt into this feature if they want to, and in exchange for anonymously sharing their location, which again helps Helium Mobile figure out where to position those mini cell towers that I was just talking about, the user will then earn cloud points, which can be spent in a number of ways, including getting gift cards to your favorite restaurants, shops, travel, Uber, Airbnb, and many others. So depending on where you're currently spending money, this might essentially be as good as cash if it offsets an item that you're already spending money on anyway. And that's not only a unique way for users to offset their phone bill, but it also helps keep the overall cost of these plans down for everyone. But if you're like me, then you're probably gonna need more than 3 gigabytes of data per month. So like I said, they also have 2 other options, starting with the Air plan, which is $15 per month and comes with 10 gigabytes of data plus unlimited calls and text. Or you could go with the Infinity plan, which is $30 per month and comes with unlimited talk, text, and data. And again, all of these plans, including the free Zero plan, give you the ability to earn those points that we were just talking about if you want to opt into the location sharing feature. Okay, so an affordable phone plan that also has great coverage is a win on its own. But let's tie this back to where we started. How does it relate to personal finance beyond just saving money? Because as we've talked about in many previous videos, it doesn't take a ton of big changes in your life now to build lasting wealth long-term, especially if you have a long enough time horizon. So using myself as an example, if we take the cost of the average US phone plan, which again is $144 per month, and let's be conservative and say that we switch to the unlimited Infinity plan with Helium Mobile, which is $30 per month, well, that's gonna put $114 per month back in my pocket. And since I'm only 25 and my personal portfolio averages 12% per year, that means that $114 per month in savings could become over $1.3 million by the time I retire at 65. Now, obviously that is an oversimplified and, let's be honest, somewhat dramatic example, but also math is math, and it just goes to show you that by making small changes in your monthly budget with things like your phone bill, you can make huge changes in your ability to build wealth long term. So if you want to give Helium Mobile a shot for yourself, you can check it out using the link down in the description with code Magnified, and I'd also love to know what you think of this alternative approach to phone service down in the comments, because it's definitely unlike anything I've seen before. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.